Welcome to Fleeway Creations. There are people who seem to have the gift for growing and maintaining beautiful plants and flowers like these. Then there are those like me who start off with something beautiful like this and end with this. After doing a little research, I've come to the conclusion that there may be hope for turning our brown thumbs into green thumbs. That hope may be found in succulents. Succulents are a group of plants that store water in its thick leaves. During a drought, the stored water makes them less susceptible to dying. They come in different shapes, sizes, and textures. I purchased these cute little succulents at Home Depot. The price was $5 for $10. The pots are 1 3/4 inches tall. I plan to repot these cuties soon. I will keep you posted on my journey to a green thumb. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.